So are y'all telling me some of the new bad stuff y'all used to do?
No, that's all. No, never mind. You don't want to say it no more.
Why? Y'all want everybody to know?
What's up, fam?
Huh?
I think your camera's good.
What you say?
No.
Tell me some stories. I want to hear it.
We done told you all of our stories.
Oh, Shailene said y'all had more.
Wait, we just can't think.
Oh, I thought you said you can't tell me. I was about to say.
We do, but we don't know. Hold on. What else have we done? I don't really think. But like our own stuff that we did.
Should I spank y'all for the things y'all did that y'all told me about late?
No. Why won't we say yes to that?
Shailene, because you're a fair person and you want to be fair.
Fair, bro. No.
Right? What y'all doing? You're on camera. She trying to fight you?
Like, Zamai has hands.
Oh my God, Zamai, come on. We ain't talking about the suspension right now. Say no. You could. I'll put this on the family channel. This is not what I wanted her to talk about on camera. Wow, that's what they was telling you? No, see, don't let them be, hyping you up like that. She just got off a 3-day suspension for having a fight, but she was defending herself, so that's why it ain't no issue. But and she's in 9th grade, and this is the first fight she's ever had. My kids are not instigators. They don't start trouble, but at the same time, they ain't afraid to defend themselves either. You feel me?
Your feels. Don't stop saying that.
I don't know why I said I was gonna stop.
Say your feels.
Your feels. I ain't say that either. Y'all like taking nature walks?
My actually do have 2 prices with her.
Oh, you do? Dang. All right, well, I don't think she want no more problems.
No, right. She told a whole different story to her friends and everything. I hate when people do
everybody
that.
saw what happened.
And I know for sure I was not lying.
It's all good, guys. I just want to talk about this nature walk right here. Y'all know sometimes when I be out here, don't get scared now when I tell y'all this, okay? I be seeing deers. I said don't get scared.
Anybody scared no deer?
Huh?
Exactly. They're scared of you.
Somebody. You say they scared of me.
No, they're scared of you.
Oh, scared of us, yeah. You scared, Davion?
Oh.
You not?
I have no fear.
You don't have no fear? That's what I'm talking about.
Mom, you know
No
that
fear.
I'm trying to gain weight, right? I'm not trying to get no skinnier than I already am.
You good, girl. You good. You better be happy to be skinny.
My life.
Later on, people be trying to work hard to work that fat off.
God is telling us something by this exit right here. Come on,
This don't make no sense. No, we're going to finish the walk. I'm going to cut the camera off and we're going to finish the walk. I just wanted to... I ain't adding nothing on our family channel in a minute because I ain't know what YouTube was doing, but...
Let's go to that shit.
Y'all want to go over there?
Right there.
That's ending real quick. We go... Come on. They don't even... I jog every day out here. And y'all can't even walk? That don't make no damn sense.
Mom.
Yes, my love.
I can barely walk up a set of stairs.